Hey guys, welcome to our channel. It's me, Tshegofatso. I hope that you're going to enjoy today's video. So let's hop right into it.
So when it comes to cooked carrots, I always want to do a little bit because Stefan keeps on telling me that I do a lot. And people don't love carrots so much.
I feel like you cook in a lot. You cook a lot of food anyways, like your amounts are huge.
I like a lot.
But today in particular, I was saying to him, a lot of people don't eat a lot.
A lot of grown-ups.
Huh?
You're saying a lot of grown-ups.
Yeah, I find that they don't consume a lot of food.
They're not like young people.
They're not like young people. And tomorrow we're not home all day.
Yeah, but normally in the evening we'll get hungry.
When we get back.
Lunch. No, I'm saying even today.
Oh yes, this is a lunch even tonight. I get you. But even when we eat, we still have a lot of leftovers. Yeah. It's a good problem. At least you want people to be overfed than underfed.
Yeah. All right.
The master at work. I love the beef option. I don't like pork. I don't eat pork, in fact. I'm over here. I'm picking peas. The peas have grown here. I don't know how much you can see. There we go. The peas have grown. I'm picking some just to color the vegetables, basically. Here we are. It was a last minute idea. And we're 20 minutes away from visitors arriving, but we're almost done. So I've got my peas. Shell them quick. We'll pick them up from the washing line. Okay, I'll bring them. Time flies when you're having fun. So the dogs are mad about peas. Yeah? No, I'm saying the dogs are mad about peas. If I was working on a chair, sitting down, they would be begging. But they are sleeping because it's hot. The hottest time of the day is when they sleep. When the sun sets, is when they get active again. And one would hope that they will be sleeping when visitors come. But when visitors come, they wake up and they seek attention. That's the drawback of having social dogs. Lunch is looking absolutely yummy. Yum. What's cooking in the pot?
Peas.
Oh, the peas.
So because it was not pre-boiled,
yeah,
you have to keep on turning it.
The chicken. Yeah. Anyways, let me finish prep with the dishes in the house.
Because you don't want that.
You don't want it to bleed when now it's time to eat.
When it's not in someone's plate.
Yeah.
But we've discovered a secret weapon. The smoked
oh my word, this smoked spice is delicious. Oh, okay. It came out in the... The smoked spice is absolutely delicious. We love it.
It's the real thing.
It's the real thing. It's like the chicken will have smoke and then it will have a smoke flavor on top of the smoke.
Like double smoke.
Alright, let me go sort out my serving dishes in the house to make sure that I've got cutlery. And peel what?
Peel the cucumber.
You want us to make it cucumber tomato salad?
Mm.
You don't want to see what salad they come with. They might come with something lettuce, green salad.
Yeah, but I always love cucumbers. They're good to snack on.
I know you do. Okay. They're the same. They're the same.
Are they?
They're the same ones. Ours are green.
Ah.
Yeah, the ones we use for church, for home church, huh?
We wanted green ones.
Yeah, I know. What are you doing?
Yeah.
It's a big one, eh? It will be hard to work with.
Eh?
It will be hard to work with. It's heavy.
It's heavy.
It's heavy. And I guess the maker is not a worker. He's not practical. We found our chairs that we want for the kids. What are you looking at now?
I want to buy clothes for the chickens.
Okay. I'm getting these for the kids to help me with washing cups and stuff when we are done with our meetings. So these are 60 cents each. I figured it's reasonable. We're thinking they're too small. We should get something big and practical for our house. But the price is reasonable at 60 cents each. I just make sure that I have two. I kept hearing this tick, 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 tick as we were driving out, and then we stop and look at it. We've got a flat. These momentary pains. Who was saying last time it was the mechanic? It happened to us before in town. They're saying it's because the streets don't get cleaned anymore. Something like that. They don't get swept.
Yeah.
We discovered a serious culprit. Hectic. That's a big one. We have a bunch of chairs happening in the back seat, and we've got some in the boot of the car. And we just wanted to say thank you so much for making this happen for our kiddos. It's so much appreciated. You have no idea. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Hey guys, so I'm sitting out here and it's like a sweaty day. I've got my window closed because cars come flying down the road, and it's quite a dusty road in Rengeni. Anyways, we're at Amon's favorite place where he gets stuff done in Rengeni. He's working on his currents, he's getting them polished. They've been sitting in the house and not looking their best anymore because a lot of them were made a couple of years ago. So yeah, he's polishing them to give them a new look. Yeah, so anyways, as I wait for him, I just want to say hope that you have a good rest of your day, and until next time, bye bye.